What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Wander to LA by WRLD and Justin Bieber. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll wander to your mom's house and take her out to brunch. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you will need to capo up to the 7th fret. If you need a capo, I have a link to a free one in the video description, and if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So there's 3 different chords that repeat throughout this song. The first one's going to be A minor 7. You're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string and your index finger on the 1st fret of the B. And then we have a B flat major 7. So this is you're barring the 1st fret with your index finger. Your ring finger is gonna go to the 3rd fret of the D, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the B, or of the G, and your pinky finger is on the 3rd fret of the B string. Then we're gonna go to like this C add 9 chord. You're gonna do your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D. Pinky finger is gonna go on the 3rd fret of the B string, but also keep your index finger on the 1st fret of the B because you will need that during the strumming pattern. And then part of the chord progression, you go back to A minor 7. Now I'm going to show you the strumming pattern and the little embellishments that are played here. I will have a guitar tab for this in the video description, so if you want it and you want to follow along to it, jump into the video description and grab the guitar tab. So starting with your A minor 7, your strumming pattern is going to look like you're going down, 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 up, and on that last down strum before the up strum, you're putting your pinky on the 3rd fret of the B, and then taking it off for the up strum. And then muting. So down, 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 up. Next you're going to your B flat major 7 chord, and your strumming pattern for that one looks like. So what you're doing here is you're going to be taking your pinky finger off, so where your index finger is barring on the 1st fret, and putting the pinky finger back on the 3rd fret of the B. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. So when you're doing your up strum, you're taking your pinky off and putting it back on for your down strum. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Then you're going to your C add 9, and it looks like, and that's a down, 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 up. And you're taking your pinky finger off to that 1st fret on the B string. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Then you're going back to A minor 7, and you're doing something very similar to the first time, except instead of 3rd on B, you're putting your ring finger on the 2nd fret of G. It looks like. That's down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down. Ring finger on, down, ring finger off. Now I'm going to play through the whole thing super slowly so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.